1, 2, 3, 4,
Hello, my fellow mates.
5.
What are you doing here?
We are just counting the cups
Why are you counting the cups for?
to know the total amount of cups.
You know, you can find the total amount of cups and which place the cup is without counting the number from starting.
Okay, show that to us, please.
I'll show you the formula. So, tell me what is the value of the first cup?
It's 5.
It's 5. So, we'll take A is equal to 5. What is the difference between the first cup and the second cup?
It's 5.
It's 5. So, we take the difference as 5. Now, which cup you want to find?
The 7th one.
The 7th cup. So, we take n is equal to 7. Now, we have to find what is the value of the 7th cup. We'll take it as the 7th term. So, to find it, all we have to do is the 7th term is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, that is equal to 5 plus 7 minus 1 times d into 5. D is 5. That is equal to 5 plus 7 minus 1 is 6. So 6 into 5 is 30. 5 plus 30. That is equal to 35. Now the 7th cup is 35.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, you're right.
Exactly. Now why are you confused?
So, what if we want to find the sum of these cups? For example, 5 plus 10. Is there a formula to do that also?
Yes, there is a formula to find the sum of the number of the cups. So, as you know, the first cup is A and the difference is 5. Now tell me, how many number of cups you want to find the sum for?
8.
8. So we'll take the sum of 8 cups. The formula for that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times d. As you want to find the sum of 8 cups, over here n is equal to 8. So that is 8 by 2 into 2 times 5 plus 8 minus 1 times 5. That is 4 into 10 plus 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 into 5 is 35 plus 35. That is 4 into 45, which equals to 180. Now the sum of the 8 cups from the starting is 180. Can you check it?
Yeah, so 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 plus 20 is 50. 50 plus 25 is 75. 75 plus 30 is 105. 105 plus 35 is 140. 140 plus 140 is 180.
Yes. There is also another way to find the sum of the cups. So, if you know the first cup and the last cup to which you want to find the sum for, can you tell me which cup you want to find the sum for now?
The same, 8 cups.
8 cup. What is the value of the 8th cup?
40.
40. So now we have the nth term is equal to 40. We use a different formula for this one. The sum of 8 cups is equal to n by 2 into a plus the nth term. So as you know, the nth term is 40. That is the 8th cup. That is 8 by 2 into 5 plus 40, which equals 4 into 45. That is 180. That's it. Do you get it?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.